Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a cookware set. It's very nicely designed, provided with beautiful appearance, very nice combination of black and wooden handles. And this set includes everything that meets different cooking needs, including 5 quarts pot with lid, 3.5 quarts pan with lid, 3 quarts saucepan with lid, 11-inch frying pan and 8-inch frying pan. Additionally, it comes with tongs and very nice matching ladle. Besides that, this set is very well made out of high quality and durable materials, including stainless steel that provides with even heating and ceramic coating. It's non-stick, which is very convenient and it's easy to clean, and it's also non-toxic, doesn't include PFOS, PFOA and other toxic materials. This set is very nice. I love the quality. It looks very nice and it's a great addition to any kitchen, and it also will make it a very nice gift idea for your loved ones for housewarming, Christmas, birthday, Mother's Day or any other occasion. I like this product very much and I highly recommend it to you.